Hey YouTube, Ray here, and I'm back with an unboxing of the Pitaka Aramid fiber bulletproof material phone cases for the iPhone. I have done a review of this in the past, and I love the case so much. It's actually my daily case. Super light, super strong. It looks great. Love the material and everything like that too. But this is actually a new version of it where they include a magnetic mount, and the case is still the same thinness, but involves some magnets on the backside so it can connect to this magnetic mount that you could put into your car, attach it to a vent. They have some other models as well in terms of a one that will stick to your glass and things like that. Be sure to check out the link in the description below. But to showcase this product here, we'll just take a look at the case itself. Opening up the box inside, you can see the case here. Again, it's that beautiful tweed design here with the gray and black. They have different colors available as well. It's this beautiful soft touch material. This is actually made out of Aramid fiber. It's a type of it's comparable to carbon fiber in that it's a bulletproof material. It's super light. I mean, it's one of the lightest cases I've ever had in my life, and it's extremely thin. You can see super thin. Barely feels like there's a case on your phone. And so if you like that minimalistic design, not too much bulk on your phone, this is a great case because it's super strong as well because of the Aramid fiber. So that's why I love to use this type of case daily, and I'm glad that they were able to make one that's magnetic now without actually adding any thickness. You can see how thin it is. There's no thickness added, and still that maintaining that little bit of flexibility so the case can come on and off your phone very easily. It also conveniently allows access to all your ports, the power buttons, the volume, and the bottom as well, with the lightning port and your headphone jack. This is for an iPhone 6 model, but they do have them for the iPhone 7, 8, and X. So again, be sure to check out their products in the link below. It's all sold on Amazon. I just love these products, but the added extra part of this case, which makes it different from the case I use on a daily basis, is this magnetic mount here. I accidentally ripped open this box already, but to check that out, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. You can see that the mount is right included in this box here. It's this, again, follows the same design cues of that tweed and the black and gray material. Got the Pitaka logo. Here is your mount for your car vent. It feels extremely strong. You can just go ahead and loosen this part here to allow for this to adjust to whatever you want it to, whatever angles, and then you can go ahead and tighten it in here. Again, it feels extremely solid, just like the case. And what I love about these ones too is just how strong the magnets are as well, and it's a solid snap, so you know your phone is secure. If you can hear that, it's just a very solid thing, and yet it's still very easy to remove at a certain angle. If you pull up on the case, it just comes off with very minimal effort, as so. But again, as I said, just the initial magnet is just so strong and so sturdy. Shaking the case around, when you're driving around on a bumpy road, you're not going to be worried about your phone falling off at all. And so I just love the industrial design they've put into this, the functionality of it all. Again, this is one of my favorite cases ever. That's why I wanted to do another review of it when they came out with this magnetic model. I just love it so much. And this is just not, this is from my personal experience and use because I use one of these every day. So again, be sure to check out the link below for the Pitaka Aramid fiber cases. I love them a lot, and I'm sure you will too. Till the next video. Peace. It also comes with this tempered glass screen protector, which is always really nice that they include that. I love tempered glass screen protectors. And the one that they provide particularly is awesome as well because it's just a low fingerprint one that, I think that's probably one of the worst parts about screen protectors is just how much they attract fingerprints. But the screen protector that Pitaka includes with their products, I just love them so much.